it's Rashanda. Welcome back. If you're new, hi, hello. Today I'm recording a voiceover and I'm literally just going to talk about why and how I am doing my makeup because I slayed today. So I started off by just moisturizing my face. I think I use like the La Roche-Posay triple repair. And then I usually go in with a second moisturizer, but today I felt like going in with my Milk Hydro Grip because I used to use this like every single time I did my makeup. But I stopped using it because if your skincare is good, you don't need a primer. So I saw this kind of concept on TikTok of like underpainting, and the girl that I saw do it was using just like a concealer a few shades lighter than her. But I want like a really bright under eye, so I decided to go in with some white LA Pro Girl concealer. I didn't do a thick layer, I just did enough to the point where you can see it. So I'm trying to disperse this and just evenly blend it out on my skin. And then while it dries, I'm working on my eyebrows with the Refy brow sculpt. I believe that's what it's called. I really like this product because you don't need 5 other products to do your brows. Like you literally just use this one product and your brows are sculpted down. It has a brush, all that. Like I feel like when I use like the Anastasia brow wiz, for example, you need a spoolie, you need me personally, I like to use the back of a pair of tweezers, like, you know, like I need 50 11 other products in order to do my eyebrows. And then I just went in with my brow pomade by Anastasia. I really like this pomade when I'm just doing my my more dramatic full face makeup, because it's just so soft and it just gives me a nice brow. I really like it. Then I went in with this Huda Beauty foundation stick. I love this foundation so much, and I feel like it's so underrated. Like stick foundations are slept on, I think, for like hygienic reasons, but like stick foundations are great because they add a nice little sheer layer of foundation. And then I blended this in with my Mercier, my Estée Lauder foundation. I just did one pump. I like to mix foundations. I'm just like, there's just 2 foundations that I'm in love with. Why not use both? And then I did the concealer part last. That way I wouldn't have white, highlighted part in this middle random part of my forehead. And look, it looks so beautiful. It doesn't even look like, I had white concealer under my eyes. It just looks very like radiant, and you could stop here literally and it looks so good. Let's see, what do I do next? I put on this soft matte concealer. I like to use just a flat concealer brush, just a little bit. I do like a sheer amount. I still want it to be sheer enough that you can see that there was white underneath, like I don't want to fully cover that up. And then I added some additional highlight with the Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS, just to like add extra highlight, because I love that. I love a good little bright under eye. I realized I neglected my forehead, but who cares? It doesn't even look, you can't even tell. And then of course I like to conceal around my mouth just because I had eczema as a child, so it can be a little there's a little bit of discoloration around my mouth. So I'm getting it all blended out. I think I'm watching like Nurse Jackie or maybe a podcast, that's why I'm laughing. But yeah, so I'm blending it out. I've started using beauty blenders again. Like I love a good brush, but a beauty blender is really gonna give you that like natural look because it's pressing into your skin. And although people are like, beauty blenders pick up all the product, I kind of like that it picks up a little bit of product. That way it's not too heavy. Then I went in with these lovely Rare Beauty blushes. I feel like they're just perfect. I can't remember what shade I went in with. I think I went in with Hope and Believe. And I just layered them, kind of just working with small amounts and adding, because it's very easy to apply too much blush and look like the one girl from Willy Wonka. So then I use this little small, I used to use this for highlighter, but I used this small little fluffy brush and I applied my Laura Mercier powder. If you remember, or if you've been watching my videos, if not, I don't really, it's not the end of the day, but I used to do this like all the time. And then one day I was like, I kind of want more full face makeup lips, so I started going in with the powder triangle thing. I forgot what they're called, powder puffs. I started going in with those, but this little brush, it's just perfect because you're putting a small amount of powder and you're gonna get more of a radiant look, and I feel like I achieved that today. Then I went in with the powder puff with my even brighter powder, simply because I just want, you know, that super bright under eye, and then I instantly brush it off because I don't really like to bake. You know, it bites me in the ass later when I'm out and I look sweaty because I didn't bake, but it's just like I don't want to look like I'm wearing 900 layers of makeup. Like, I personally do like a soft glam, a more radiant look. I think it just looks more youthful, and you know what they say, like less is more. So yeah, and then I'm just applying the same product I used to, you know, kind of bronze my face up around my nose. And then I'm spraying my face with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Love the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. And then I just fan my face immediately. And we're getting it nice and dry. And that's just how you blend all the layers. And you bring back the, like, hydration in your face. Then I'm going in with these Juvia palettes, blush palettes, to just further blush up my face and make it look like I'm blushing from within. And I feel like it's easier to layer blushes when your makeup isn't as heavy because you can actually see it. Then I just started lining my lips, just out of habit, even though I'm gonna move on to doing my eyelashes. Even though I have a lot of lip liners, I'm always like, I want more, because sometimes the brown's too gray, sometimes it's too cool, sometimes it's too warm, too red. So yeah, just getting those lips nice and lined. And then I moved on to my eyelashes, and I just used the Kiss Falscara and some B&Q individual lashes. I haven't switched up the way that I do my lashes in a really long time, so this means I really just like this product. It literally takes me 5 minutes to do both eyes, and you don't see the lash band. You're not getting hella lash glue on the top of your lash line. And then I just add some eyeliner. I put in the inner corner. I try and make a triangle. I think I have that type of fold where it kind of gets hard to do the triangle, but I try my best, and I really like it because it makes my eyes more angular. Like, my eyes already are pretty angular. I think I have almond eyes, but I just like the additional, you know, the eyeliner and the inner corner triangle. So as you can see, I got these lashes on, and I'm adding another wing to this side. You know, it still takes me a while to get them. I'm not perfect at these eyeliner liner. And then I just played it with my body face palette to kind of create a lip color. This year, I really want for my birthday is to just buy more like lip products. Like, I really like the Lawless lip glosses, but I really want to play more into like pigment and play around with my lips a little bit more, because as I said in my last video, my last Get Ready With Me, I will spend like $50 on a foundation, but I use like $5 lip products, which isn't terrible or anything. It's not a bad thing, but it's like I want to invest more into my lips and focus more on my lips because I've gotten like pretty much everything else down that I like. So this is me just using the Lawless lip product. Oh, so good. And that's pretty much the makeup look, y'all. Just touching up where the wig line was and my edges. If you guys liked this video, if you liked this makeup look, it's definitely more radiant, definitely more natural. I love doing my makeup like this because it's a lot easier for me to find like my moles, and I can like add eyeliner on them, and it looks so natural and beautiful. Anyways, thanks for watching, y'all, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will probably be a vlog, and then I get ready. So yeah.